So, my next video is gonna be about slime, and we're gonna try and make unicorn slime without glue and with glue. We're gonna try and figure out if we can get the stuff from a thrift store or a store.
99-cent store.
Yeah, a 99-cent store. Sorry, this is my friend. Elena, come here.
What?
This is gonna be my helper. She's gonna hold the camera, and yeah, that's Elena.
See, you really like this person.
Give me some subscribes down below. If you could give me some comments down below, that'd be awesome. See you next time. Bye.